What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I do every year to help save myself a couple thousands in maintenance and repair costs. Pretty much, I'm going to be sharing with you guys things that you could do to your car, truck, and to be able to help yourself save money. You know, nowadays, inflation is very high, so there's a lot of things out there that cost. You know, it gets very pricey when you, especially when it comes down to car maintenance. It costs a lot of money sometimes, certain places. So these are the things that I personally do to help save myself a couple thousands every year for my truck. So welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys having a great Tuesday, and pretty much today I'm going to be touching up on this topic exactly of how you could really be able to, if you out there, you trying to, you going through a lot of, like you're not trying to spend too much money on repairing costs and all that stuff. I just want to be able to share with you guys these tips. And this strictly, I'm gonna tell you, if you're a handy person, then this is something that's gonna be for you. But even if you're not, they're still gonna be able to help you out in some ways, because you can always learn how to do something, even if you've never done it before. You can always learn how to do it on YouTube. This is why I love YouTube, because YouTube show you a lot of things that you probably didn't learn in school, or pretty much you didn't learn in school. So me, I have a 2014 Dodge Ram, and I'm gonna be straight for a full synthetic oil change. Where I'm at is about at least like probably 120-ish, or probably a little bit over that. It depends to where I go. The cheapest is like 120. Full synthetic oil change. So the number one thing I normally do to help myself is, save 100. I say realistically 120 every 3 months, I say, or probably every month. But is doing my own oil change. Yes, I do my oil change. It's very simple, and anybody can do it. Like, if you don't know how to do your oil change and stuff on, you can go on YouTube, whatever vehicle you have, just type in your vehicle, year, model. Pretty much is gonna show you a walkthrough process of exactly how you could be able to do your oil change yourself. And it's very simple. It's probably gonna take you 30 minutes. The first time you do it, you're gonna get that little confidence, like, okay, now I know what to do. And then you just do it over and over. And right there, you can save yourself, if you really think about it. It all depends on your car, though. Your car, let's say my car is like 120 per oil change. So that's probably, there's 12 months in a year. I'm just saying realistically, I get my oil change every 2-3 months, I say. It all depends on how much I drive to. So if you do the math, you're saving yourself probably a couple thousands right there. I mean, probably guessing, I'll say probably around like 3,000-ish. If you got a pickup truck like me, you run full synthetic, because I pay 120, or probably like 2,000 and stuff like that. So it's still something. It's not like a crazy amount, but that's another expense you can put to the side where you don't have to worry about it. It's even better too if you're somewhere where you have your own garage. That's even better, because you can pull your truck in or car in, do your oil change. Very straightforward, simple process, and you gotta worry about it. Like me, I do my oil change like only when it's like probably during like the summertime. That's when I really do it most of the time. But wintertime, it gets real cold out here, and fortunately I don't have a garage yet. But that's when I really just go get my oil change. I just say pretty much one of the things too you can do is, when you get an oil change, just get yourself the filter, and pretty much, or you can get yourself the oil and just take it to the shop. They just do the labor for you. It's gonna be a little bit cheaper, and that's another way to go about it too, if you really don't have that confidence to want to do it yourself. So that's my first thing I normally do, oil change. Number two is, I'll say another thing I personally do is probably like to save myself some money is gasoline. I'll say gas is, right now I know for a fact some places gas prices is still like close to like 4 something. Some places like 3, low 3s and stuff. Like where I'm at, it's like low 3s. Jersey, I know is like 2 something. So sometimes what I normally do is, believe it or not, if you put less it's definitely true. If you put less gas in your truck or car, let's say if you do a half tank, you're gonna burn that gas faster than a full tank, pretty much. So normally, what I normally do is, at the end of the week, like Sunday, I do like a full fill up. Like Sunday, I did like a full fill up. Right now, I still got close to a full tank in my truck, and I drive a lot, so I don't really burn that much. My truck really don't burn that much gas. It's actually pretty good on my gas mileage and stuff like that. So one tip that you really could do is try to keep your tank full. If you got a pickup truck, keep your tank full every time. Do a full tank when you go get gas. Don't try to do half, stuff like that. But that would definitely, you'll see like a huge difference though, because I guarantee you, if you got a pickup truck, the more you do like half tank every time, because to fill up, you got to think, I don't know how much it is to fill up your tank, but my tank is to fill up right now where I'm at is like $60. So if I do a half tank, my half tank normally burns faster than my full tank, obviously because it's less gas and stuff, and the truck is, you know, generating more and stuff like that, so it's like burning more fuel. So try to get a full tank every time when you get a gas. That could help you save couple dollars and stuff. And then also, if you have, like me, I go to Sunoco, I have like the app where it's not really much. I know a lot of people, you know, might not find this kind of helpful or whatever, but it's still something you got to think about it. Something is always better than nothing. I got the Sunoco app where every time I fill up, I get like 10 cents or 20 cents every time I fill up or something like that per gallon, I'm not sure. But try to get like whatever your favorite gas station that you go to, try to get like their reward program app, stuff like that you can be able to use. That way you'll be surprised how many times you fill up, you go to the gas station and fill up. And that just will add up to save you a little bit something. But like I said, it's not crazy amount, but it's still better than nothing. And you know, I'll take that, me personally, I'll take that. And my last but not least, one thing I definitely try to do is pretty much whatever, like I try to, this is something I always tell, like I learned by owning like all the cars I ever owned and stuff. So whatever vehicle you own, always try to learn about that vehicle. Learn about it. That way you could have like, start with like, if you don't have the knowledge to take things apart or put things back on your vehicle, that's why it's always YouTube. YouTube show you everything step by step. Get to know about your, learn about your truck or car, know about that vehicle. And then when things break, go online, search it up online, see exactly how to be able to repair that thing, and just try, getting used to, do it your first time, get used to it, and try to see if you can take it off. Because YouTube show you step by step how to do everything. Like there's no way that you shouldn't be able to know how to change a car tire or replace some brake pads and stuff like that. Simple things like little maintenance. If you do these things every now and then, I guarantee you will really save yourself. I'm not saying you're gonna save a handful of money and stuff like that, but it's still gonna save you some. It's gonna be an expense that you ain't gotta really worry about. Like for example, the oil change expense, especially when you own a pickup truck compared to a car, oil change is like $60. Pickup truck is like double or triple the price. So that's like an expense right there. You could take out of your budget, whatever. Save yourself some money. Try to learn how to do things, put things back to get on your car when stuff break. If you learn about your car, you're gonna know exactly what break and stuff like that. And if you don't know how to really take it off, you go on YouTube. YouTube will show you step by step how to do whatever brake pads, whatever you decide you want to do. But these are all the simple things that I pretty much just do myself to try to save myself some kind of money at the end of the day. And hopefully this could be able to help somebody. If you find this helpful, definitely leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.